Hi guys, welcome to part 4 of my 6-part wedding hairstyle series where I show you guys 3 do-it-yourself bridal hairstyles and 3 bridesmaid hairstyles to complement the bride. If you haven't seen my previous 3 videos, I'll link them below. For today's video, I'm going to do a super pretty half-up braided hairstyle for a bridesmaid. Let's get started. I'm starting off by putting in my Luxury for Princess hair extensions in the color Frosted Blonde. I'll link those below. Then I'm going to brush my hair through with my favorite detangler brush to help blend the extensions and detangle my hair. I'll also link this brush below. I'm going to start gathering my hair in the center and then tie it with a clear elastic. Then I'm going to do a topsy and carefully pull pieces out to add volume. Then I'm going to take a section of hair starting on the left side and do a French braid. And I'm going to end it with a regular 3-strand braid. Then I'm going to pull pieces out again to add volume. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm going to take one of the braids and pull it through that first pony that I made. Then I'm going to do the same with the other side. I'm going to grab the ends of the braids and then loop it around that pony and then tie them with a clear elastic. I'm going to make a few more minor adjustments to make sure that the braids are voluminous. You can add French pins if you want to secure your braids. And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that it was helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!